Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Putri Solehah with student ID 1701226061. I would like to thank you my academic superior, Profesor Dr. Saparudin Mukhtar MSI, and my fieldwork internship mentor, Mrs. Luki Herawati, for their support and grace. Today, I will present the result of the internship experience at the Subdirectorate of Vocational Education and Inclusion of the Ministry of Religious Affairs of the Republic of Indonesia. Let's start. Next slide, background. Fieldwork practice is one of the implementation of knowledge that has been studied by students during their study. The purpose of the fieldwork practice is to prepare students to become quality and competent human resource in entering the world of work. With a fieldwork practice, students can optimize their ability to adapt professional according to the development of the times. In this fieldwork practice, the intern carries out the work in the Subdirectorate of Vocational Education and Inclusion of the Ministry of Religious Affairs of the Republic of Indonesia. The interns cost the institution because the intern wanted to apply theory and practice in the field of education in government agency. This is related to the care prospects of the inter-study program and the interest in the world of education. Thus, the intern can develop themselves of prepare for a career in the field of education. Next slide, purpose of field work practice. Based on the background that has been discussed, the following are the objectives of the intern in carrying of the fieldwork practice, namely, number one, to improve student knowledge, experience, abilities, and skill in accordance with the study program they are taking. Number two, to increase work experience before plunging directly into the real world of work. Number three, to apply and develop the knowledge gained during college. Number four, to foster and improve cooperative relationship between Jakarta State University and other government and private work agency. And last, fulfilling the fieldwork practice course, which is a graduation requirement for an undergraduate student for economic education, Faculty of Economic and Business, Jakarta State University. Next slide, pledge of field work practice. Intern carry out field work practice at government agency in the Ministry of Religion of the Republic of Indonesia, namely the Subdirectorate of Vocational Education and Inclusion located on Jalan Lapangan Banteng, number 3, Pasar Baru, Sawah Besar District, Central Jakarta City, Special Capital Region of Jakarta. Next slide, company history. The Ministry of Religious Affairs of the Republic of Indonesia is a government institution tasked with organization government affairs in the in the field of religion in Indonesia. Established since January 3, 1946. The Ministry of Religious Affairs aims to meet the needs of religious service of the people and maintain diversity and religious freedom in Indonesia. Structurally, the Ministry of Religious Affairs consists of venue organization units, including in Secretariat General, the Inspectorate General, and several Directorate General in charge of Islamic education, the organist of the Hajj and Umrah, guidance of communities of various religions, and management of halal product. Next slide, field work practice implementation schedule. The working hours are Monday to Thursday from 7:30 to 4 o'clock and Friday work for home. Next slide, implementation of field work practice activities. In the implementation of field work practice at the Ministry of Religion, interests are pledged in the Subdirectorate of Vocational and Inclusive Education. In the Subdirectorate, the fields carried out are directly related to the development of vocational education and inclusive education in madrasah as follows. Number 1, creating a roadmap for vocational education in madrasah. Creating a roadmap for vocational education in very impromptu as a strategy. Number 1, creating a roadmap for vocational education in madrasah. Creating a roadmap for vocational education in very important as a strategy reference in developing curriculum and learning program in madrasah. With a roadmap, madrasah can plan concrete steps to improve the quality of vocational education, adjust to the needs of the world of work. The answer that graduates have relief and ready to ask competent. Number 2, creating PKL guidance for state vocational high school. The PKL guidance are important documents that regulate for procedures for implementation fieldwork practice for students. By creating these guidelines, interest help ensure that PKL activities are structured, focused, and provide maximum learning experience for students. Number 3, making official notes. Official notes are official communication media institute that are used of convey information, request, or instruction formally. Practitioners who make official notes contribute to the smooth administration and internal coordination of the madrasah. Number 4, making a dredge on the determination of expertise concretion 3 MAKN. The dredge on the determination of expertise consultation functions as an official document that determines of expertise program to be developed in the madrasah. By making this sky, the intern helps the formality of developing expertise program that are in accordance with the needs of the job, marking the end local potential. And the last, creating an activity work plan a budget. This work best with determining the purpose of the activity so that the budget prepared is in accordance with the needs and targets to be activities. Next, complete data collection in carried out regarding all activity needs, including the cost of purchasing material, renting a place, transportation, consumption, honorarium for records parts, and other relevant needs. After the data is collected, the next step is to estimate the cost for each component based on market price of a previous rate. To that, the budget prepared is accurate and realistic. Next slide. Uptells fails. In carrying out fieldwork practice activity at the Subdirectorate of Vocational and Inclusive Education, interns try to carry out their work seriously and complete their work on time and will manage. However, interns often experience several obstacles when carrying out their work. The obstacles experienced by interns in carrying out field work practice are lack of communication and coordination between the madrasah and the ministry, which can lead to intention in information and obstacles in carrying out text. Next, mistakes or lack understand when doing some new work. And the last, inequality of calculation in the preparation of the RAB. Next slide. How to overcome obstacles. During the internship is the company, there are currently some obstacles that the internship experience. The, the report it is necessary to take action to overcome these obstacles. Here are some ways that the internship does to overcome the obstacles experienced during the fieldwork practice. Here are ways to overcome the obstacles experienced during the fieldwork practice with an argumentative approach. Lack of communication and coordination between the madrasah and the ministry, which can lead inconsistency in information at obstacles in carrying out text. It is important to establish a structured and routine communication system between madrasah and the ministry. With effective communication, information can be delivered in a timely and accurate manner. There might be reducing the risk of miscommunication. For example, the using of digital platforms such as official emails, WhatsApp group, or project management application and facilitate better coordination. In addition, regular online and offline meeting can be a medium for program evaluation and engagement. In this way, meeting can be a medium for program evaluation. In this way, all parties will have the some understand of the text and target they must be active so that the implementation of PKL can run more smoothly and effectively. Mistake for alleged of standing when doing some new work. In general, or mistakes in compiling new text are common, especially for internet who are still in the learning stage. To overcome this, is the important for interest to actively ask for guidance and clarification from superior or, or not only improves the interest standing, but also reduce the risk of errors that can impact the quality of work. In addition, the institution where the internship is carried out the need to provide comprehensive initial training or orientation on text and work procedure. Thus, interns, why interns will be more prepared and confident in carrying out their tasks and activate learning approach and intensive support from superiors will occur, accelerate adaptation and improve interest competence. And the last, in a career of calculation in the preparing of the cost budget plan. In a current calculation in the prepare of the cost budget plan often occurs due to various factors such as incorrect estimates, lack of valid data, of human error in manual calculation. To overcome this problem, the first step that can be taken is to conduct in-depth research and continue to update material, bridge data, and labor costs according to current market conditions. Thus, the estimates made will be more realities and reduce the risk of budget shortfalls during the project. Next slide, conclusion. Fieldwork practice is one of the ways used by students to get a more real picture of the world of work after getting all the learning in lecture activities. This fieldwork practice activity must be in accordance with the study program or field of concentration of the student. With field work practice, interns can get to know the world of work better and practice to understand the condition in the world of work. In carrying out field work practice in the Subdirectorate of Vocational and Inclusion Education, it does not always run smoothly. However, this obstacles can be overcome by interest with solution, suggestion, and input from various parties. In addition, interests see a gap between theory and practice carried out in fieldwork practice activities in the Subdirectorate of Vocational and Inclusive Education. Every activity carried out by interest in fieldwork practice activities currently provide experience and knowledge that is very useful for interns when they are in the real world of work, especially in the field of education. Next slide, documentation. This is the result of documentation during fieldwork practice at the Subdirectorate of Vocational Education and Inclusive Ministry of Religion of the Republic of Indonesia. And the last, thank you for attention, and I hope the presentation has provided a compressed overview of my internship experience at the Subdirectorate of Vocational Education and Inclusion of the Ministry of Religious Affairs of the Republic of Indonesia. I would like to thank my superior, Professor Dr. Saparudin Mukhtar MSI, and my fieldwork internship mentor, Mrs. Luki Herawati, for their guidance and support. I welcome any question or input. I end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.